Hi friend, I hope you are fine. Today I give you Facebook cover about restaurant or food related templates. So firstly I show you all in one, 2, 3, 4, 5 covers in one file, PSD file, and here is the font link. Double click and just open and download. So started, drag to Photoshop file. First you see here group of files, artboard 1, artboard 2, 3, 4, 5, and same here, be like a group for group layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first I add first this file, and you see here background shape. This is for photo use or your logo etc, and this is a shape 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes and one font for font files, font, and this is a shape of circle. So I change this. Firstly I change this color, right click here and click, double click here, depend your own self. Okay, and here open a photo of any food. Okay, I open this chips. This file is very high definition, so I convert to low resolution 300. Okay, and drag to here. Now press shift to adjust for this shape. Enter and then create it. Right click, create clipping mask, Control S, and you see here write your text. I write my channel name, Sheri Sk Food etc, and second option is background. I know you know about background, how to change or apply gradients, overlay etc. Okay, I select this color, or depend your own self if you want, if you like, or you can adjust images. Open, and I show you this file, roll resolution 700. Okay, and then drag to here. Convert to background, and you see here write your any text or highlight. Same be like this. You can change just your image here, color, background, write your name here, you adjust anything. I hope this small data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care, Allah Hafiz.